What's going on, folks? We're here for a taste test. It's been a couple of weeks since we've done a taste test, but a buddy of mine went to the Amish Market and he bought persimmon. I have no idea what kind of persimmon it is. He said the name, but I don't remember what name. And then when I went to ask him what name, he said he doesn't remember. So we both don't remember. It was a name I've never heard before.
In Brazil, it's a Brazilian regular kaki.
I cannot think of the name of it, but I think it was definitely an Asian name. But we're going to try it anyway because it's something new. I mean, it looks like a regular persimmon, has a little brown thing at the top. It is smaller than any persimmon I've ever seen. It sound like an apple. Okay, it looks like a regular persimmon.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like a chocolate persimmon, so I know it's not that.
No, the chocolate persimmon have a different shape. It's long.
And it doesn't look like it's a fuyu.
No, I think it's fuyu.
No, it wasn't.
No.
That wasn't the name he mentioned. Because when he mentioned the name, I said, get it.
Okay, this is for you. No fuyu. Yeah, nothing weird.
It smells like melon.
Melon? Mm-hmm. Smells like persimmon. Amazing, guys. Super sweet.
So have you had this one before?
Yes.
You sure?
100% sure.
What do you give it?
Out of 10.
10?
Yes.
I give it a 9. It's pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
This is very sweet. I wish I would remember the name, but if I do, I'm gonna put it down in a comment.
Yeah. Romeo loves.
Of course. Wow, he didn't stand up to eat it. He just laid down and ate it.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, so we do recommend this persimmon. This persimmon.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to figure out the name. The second thing that we have here is a melon.
Abacaxi.
Yeah, pineapple.
Pineapple.
So this is a pineapple that he gave me. I saw what it looked like, so I'm gonna let you cut it open.
You want more?
Of course you want more.
Pretty.
Have you ever seen a dog eat persimmon?
I don't expect the color. This is the reason you don't you don't let me open. It will be a surprise. Baby, you found it. Look at that, people.
This is he found a pink pineapple.
Now, outside it don't look like pink pineapple, but wow.
I couldn't believe that he actually found this in America.
Yeah. I'm surprised.
He actually found it in southern Maryland, which is a surprise. So I told him, I said, yeah, get me that, man. You got to bring that back.
Food Lion Market?
No, this was the Amish Market.
Amish Market.
He said they even had plants. And he was thinking about grabbing one. And I said, well, good luck trying to grow it here.
Yeah, they have seeds? No.
No, it was a plant.
Okay.
With a pineapple on top of it.
Okay.
The only way you can grow that is to put it in a grow tent or a greenhouse.
Yeah.
And take it from zone 7 to 10, which is crazy. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.
You know who goes first?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You too soon?
Yeah. It's not bad.
Okay. Don't beg.
But this one is almost getting bad. You understand me? It's not so fresh.
It's not fresh?
Yes, not so fresh. So it's not so sweet. This one need a juice. Make a juicer. Need more sugar.
It tastes American to me.
Okay. I understand.
It tastes American.
Yeah.
So what do you give it? 1 to 10?
5.
5? Wow. Like I was saying before, any pineapple that I had outside the country was sweet. The pineapple in America always has like a twang, sour taste to it.
Oh, yeah.
It's not as sweet.
Yeah.
So, I'm not surprised. Just tastes like a typical pineapple, nothing different.
Romeo want to give him the...
Okay, that was ridiculous. So we got one more fruit.
One more?
Yeah, and I told my aunt that I was gonna help out, and there it is. That is a Lapins cherry.
Ah, so cute.
And that's from my cherry tree.
Really?
Mm-hmm. And I told my aunt, she said, "Why you had that girl always doing the heavy work?" So this time I'm gonna cut it. I got it.
Okay.
I'm gonna cut it so my aunt doesn't fuss at me. And unfortunately, this was the only cherry that was ready. Okay. So I cut it in 2 pieces with my handy dandy knife. Okay.
Okay. I love cherries.
This is cool because it's our own cherry.
Tangy.
Okay.
But the taste is amazing.
Okay, so this is the Lapins cherry. Lapins. Lapins.
Oh, okay.
This is part of my 4-in-1 cherry tree that I have. And this is the actual first cherry that actually made it in the house. The rest of the cherries were gobbled up by squirrels and birds. So never had one before.
So this is a special taste test.
Sour taste. What's your number?
My number is 10.
This is actually good. I think I have 3 more growing, but due to the late frost that we had this year, it killed a lot of the cherries or the flowers that were on the tree. So only about 3 or 4 survived. So it's a start. I'm happy to have it. So hopefully next year we'll have more. Stop singing, homeboy. I mean, he is begging for some more persimmon. Dog is greedy. All right, that was our little taste test. See you on the next one. Peace.